How to use Shein app for shopping. Let's get started. Launch your Shein app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the shop page. Now over here, you're going to find different items. Head over to the item that you want to purchase. In the case you cannot find the item over here, at the top you're going to see the search box. Over there you can type in the name of the product that you want to purchase and search for it. With that, item will appear. Once item appears, click on it. Now select the details of it, color, and then size, then add it to the cart. By following the same steps, you can easily add other items to the cart as well. And once you are done adding items to the cart, head over to the cart section. Just click on this cart icon. Once you're in the cart page, you're going to find all the items that you have selected to purchase. Now what you can do is check out. Now click on the option of checkout given at the bottom right corner. Now you have to provide your shipping address, then select the shipping method, then scrolling down, select the payment method. If you have coupon code or gift card, you can click on these options and apply it. Now here you're going to find the details of your product. Once you check all the details, click on continue. Just with that, you have make your order. So this is how you can use Shein app for shopping. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.